Dongguan Yide Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2014. We are a Chinese manufacturer of candle manufacturing equipment. There has 2,700 square meters to produce and display candle machines in our factory. Yide Machinery keeping focus on developing machines and providing professional engineering customization for candle manufacture solutions. Our products series are wax melter, wax pouring machine, wick centering machine, wick dipping machine, wick cutting machine, and fully auto candle making machine, taper or pillar candle making machine, reed diffuser filling and capping machine, and labeling machine. Yide Machinery widely used to making jar-scented candles, tea light candles, church candles, and mold candles. Our goal is to make candle production high accuracy, high efficiency, and lower labor cost, and less raw material waste to realized fully auto production demand. We successfully cooperated with top 3 candle factory all over the world: America, Britain, Mexico, Russia, India, Australia, France, and more. Yide mission is developing candle machine to technical, supporting candle production to efficiency, and Yide spirit is details make difference, quality bring brand. We are highly appreciated to service customers with our professional, responsible teams to let our business better. Our customer choose us because there are many types of candle machines for making sample, small batch, or even big batch production stage. We can fully understand what customer want and response rapidly. Many thanks for choosing Yide Machine. We are sincerely welcome you visiting us and appreciate a chance to cooperate.